Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing is a little bit of a unique piece of equipment here. It's a timing system for a bottle which would mount on an existing conveyor should you have some type of application where you need to regulate flow into a certain part of the packaging process. It has this large professionally fabricated mounting system here with a Baldor gear drive on it, and you'll see there are two Hub City 1-to-1 gear reducers which turn the moving shaft to meet the drive of the screw. You'll see it's on adjustable mountings, well made. The screw is 60 inches in length. It is variable speed, operating through this Leeson controller. Obviously we haven't lubricated anything. You hear a little bit of that shaft mount in here. It has an eye which is operating start and stop, so this would be mounted on your conveyor. So you can move it. It does have a delay built into it. Then we put this back, it'll continue on once it's satisfied the delay. Oh, and you have to put it at the right distance. It's a very unique item, as we mentioned, and you may have an application for something like this. And it's a lot easier to start this way instead of building it from scratch. We have all types of equipment in process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com if you're not already there. Thanks for joining us for this video today.